And lastly, we have security for the safety call that indicates the station is about to transmit a message concerning the safety of navigation or giving important meteorological warnings. So, if you have here these words, pay particularly attention to the message and call the master or the officer on watch. So, distress transmitting procedures to be used only of immediate assistance is required. Use plain language whenever possible. So most of us, if we are in different countries, if 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 the officers on board came from different countries, so we use English language because this is our universal language. So if language difficulties are likely to arise, use table 2 and 3 on page 149, sending the word intercode to indicate that the message will be in the International Code of Signals. Call out letters as in table 1 on page 148. Call out numbers figure by figure as in table 1. So to indicate distress, if possible, transmit alarm signal, circular two-tone signals for 30 seconds to 1 minute, but do not delay the message if there is insufficient time in which to transmit the alarm signal. So send the following distress call. So later on, I will be giving you some examples regarding to the different calls that we needed to perform on board the vessels. So here, lastly, I will give you the examples of distress procedures. So where possible, transmit alarm signals followed by spoken words. So for example, for distress call, here we have here examples. So for distress call, switch your VHF radio station to channel 16, then say